Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Stinu Position Size Calculator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Stinu is a position size calculator app designed for traders who want to manage risk more accurately and confidently. It helps users calculate the ideal position size for each trade based on account balance, risk percentage, stop-loss distance, and market conditions. The app supports multiple trading instruments, including Forex, crypto, and indices, and is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its instant position size calculator. You enter your stop-loss and risk amount, and Stinu automatically calculates the correct lot size or units to trade. It also includes additional tools such as risk-reward ratio calculations, pip value estimators, and customizable trading parameters for different strategies. The interface is clean, fast, and designed for beginner and professional traders alike. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy, simplicity, and how quickly it allows them to size trades without manual math. It reduces the chances of over-leveraging and helps traders stay consistent with risk management. Users also like that the app updates values in real time and supports a wide range of trading platforms and brokers. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features require a subscription, and a few users report that certain instrument calculations may vary depending on broker settings. The app also relies on accurate user-entered data, meaning mistakes in inputs can lead to incorrect results. Traders who prefer automated risk tools built directly into their brokerage platform may find Stinu unnecessary. In summary, the Stinu app may be worth using if you want fast, accurate position sizing, better risk management, and customizable trading tools. However, if you rely solely on broker-provided tools or prefer not to use third-party apps for trading calculations, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.